Alright guys, I got everything together. This is pretty ghetto, I must admit, but didn't do too well on the old YouTube, so I can't do much here. It's the way it is. YouTube royally shafted me. But at least we got some nice storage under the bed now, which is not too bad at all. Just got to make sure it's balanced here. This goes up to the wall, like so. Let's make sure. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Nice. That worked out. I guess I gotta vacuum. But I gotta move these 2x4s back a bit so I can screw the headboard in. And now I got storage underneath, which is nice. And if I ever did have carbon monoxide, I'm up off the floor a little bit, so it gives me a little bit of time to get away. If I wake up in time, that's if the alarm wakes me up, if it ever happens. So there you go. Yeah, I think I really need to cut that headboard down. Let me mark it, and then I'll bring a saw back next time and do that. Let's see. Probably want it right here. And then I'll take that measurement and go here, 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 get it cut, and then we should be good. Good stuff. So now I can move the mattress on once I vacuum, so I'll go vacuum here quick. I just remembered, guys, I do have the saw here. So what I did was went ahead, measured out it came out to be 2 inches, so I gotta cut 2 inches off of there. That way when they're in the walkthrough here, you're not hitting everything off the board here. And then later on I guess I could paint it or something. But it's basically just going to be to stop the pillows from falling off the bed. That's all it really is. Because it's going to be facing this direction. But it's a pretty ghetto bed, I must admit. But I'm dealing with ghetto budget. Super off-grid ghetto budget here. So, yeah. I'll go cut this and I'll be back. Alright guys, I got the ghetto headboard installed. And I'm going to put the mattress down, test the bed out. We'll see how that goes. Let's see. Guess I gotta move some stuff. Hey, that worked okay. Let's see. Now, the fun part, putting everything back the way it was. Keep my vacuum out because I I got some major cleaning to do here. Okay. I'll put this stuff on, and then we'll see how it goes. I leave the sleeping bag out and on here, guys, because just in case I lose heating capabilities or too lazy to stoke the wood stove up. Got a nice little sleeping bag for insulation. Now, I'm going to throw the pillows up on here because I'm eager to see that. So, now that's pretty nice. As long as I'm not smashing my head. Well, that's kind of the point of the longer pillow. That pretty much covers that headboard situation. And I'm kind of closer to the TV a little bit. Now that the height's gone up. Now those pillows won't go anywhere, which is nice. Now I got that heavy, this is a heavy wool blanket wrapped in some, wrapped in like a bed sheet or something. Put that down at my feet level. And then we'll start throwing the comforters on. And then I'll jump in bed and see what happens. See if I crash through the floor. See how comfortable it is too. You never know. I got enough blankets, right guys? Must have learned something when I froze my butt off during that blizzard when I came here with like no heat. Pretty damn close to the TV. Hopefully I don't like hit it in the middle of the night or something. That's crazy. Huh. Kind of working out better than I expected. One more comforter, and then this thing's ready to rip. Sadly, I haven't done anything with the TV antenna yet to try things out, but I'll at least try the bed out right here. See how we make out. Turn the TV on and see how that works as well. I can go through the music sections of it anyway.
Audio link mode.
Alright, here we go guys. Wish me luck. See if it holds me. Oh yeah. Actually really nice. Yeah, that's really good actually. So I got some music on here. Can't really do that because YouTube. But cool stuff. Worked out okay. Built a little bed frame. Pretty comfortable. I'm getting nice airflow from the fan right above the TV here. So a nice little air movement, and I'm pretty close to the door, so That's alright. Yeah, I need to bring this thumb drive home and load it up with music and stuff. But yeah, pretty cool. Let's see if when I turn over, nothing happens. Cool stuff, guys. My feet are a little up against this wall, but then again I can move back. Yeah, I can move back so it's not like I'm crammed up or anything. Yeah, so that's awesome. That little piece of plywood as a headboard worked out. Good stuff. Cool. Now I can put stuff underneath the bed for storage. So let me grab the camera. I gotta pull it off the tripod though, guys, so you can see how much room, space I have underneath the bed. So I'll do that. Be right back here.